son. Some man no walk on mine, man, and no hold on mattress me go to dig out. Uno undercover mine, man. Me no mind, me no undercover do not when me I do it when me I do me do it big and plain and blood clot straight. You understand me cannot talk when me walk on mine, man. Me never buy a boy a house yet or a car. The enough is the far me go to look underpants and 2 shirts. I'm supposed to give them because me a hot girl. I mean I walk with no boy because me favor crop of blood clot cause me a hot girl. And when me beard a beard me beard. When me beard me blood clot beard. I mean I beard I know say me look good and the boy because me no look good at blood clot. You hear me I tell you? Oh. Drop a blood clot jail and me can't help him out and me help him out not contact but me a walk a mine man. That's not walk a mine man. Me just help him out because me can do it. And out of respect me and him did there when he got jail so what? We not talk about mine man. That's not mine man. Me just have him back. Me just have him back. Want to someone who will buy blood clot. Want to someone who will buy man we put carrying on a blood clot name and girl a drive now no car and cock up their foot on no car and blood clot going at it. Want to someone who will build house for the people and family blood clot place. And no car and bumbo clot go there no talk about no self. I saw no stay on no not talk for no business but not my other people blood clot business. You know much I want to go build blood clot house for baby fatherland and can't go in that bumbo clot. You know much I want to buy bumbo clot boy car with no name in it. And the other girl is every time when the blood clot car renew, the man now fuck on and look pan. And every time you renew insurance, you have to renew that with proud and loud and blood clot proud. And you can bumbo clot driving at it. Me no run them the kind of careless joke there. Enough for uno do that. Enough for uno build house per man blood clot land and can't go in there. The man them take on off on no land and the man them live in the house with different baby blood clot mother.